Hi friends, this is Dr. BP alias Dr. Bapuji Pullepu. Now already we started tutorial 3. This is the final tutorial in our first unit, multiple integrals. Already we completed 3 problems, then we go for the 4th problem, evaluate. Just evaluation of this integration. My integral is running from 0 to pi. Integral running from 0 to 2 pi, 0 to pi, 0 to a, r power 4 dr d phi d theta. Yeah, d phi and d theta are both are angles, so simultaneously dr. Okay, this limit is r limit, this limit is phi limit, this limit is theta, taken for granted. Now what I will do, first with respect to r you can do 0 to 2 pi, 0 to pi, r power 4 integration means what we get, r power 5 by 5, apply the limits 0 to a, d phi, d theta. If you apply limit, what you will get, 1 by 5 also take outside, 0 to pi, then a to the power of 5, d phi, d theta. Now a power 5 also if you take outside, what you will get, 0 to 2 pi, 0 to pi, d phi, d theta. Now what I will do, a power 5 by 5, 0 to 2 pi. Now with respect to phi, if I do phi, limits are running from 0 to pi, then theta is there, d theta, apply limit, so pi a to the power of 5, phi. I am bringing one stroke, I am skipping steps. In examination you don't do, step by step we can do, d theta. Now this is what, pi, a power 5 by 5, if you get what, theta I will get, again if you apply limit, 2 pi, lower limit vanish, upper limit only stands, so pi a to the power of 5 by 5, this is what, 2 pi minus 0. So this is equal to what, 2 pi square a to the power of 5 by 5. This is the answer. Any problem? Okay. Next question is 5th problem. Slab off. Fifth problem is evaluation of integration 0 to log a, 0 to x, 0 to x plus y, e to the power of x plus y plus z, dz, dy, dx. Okay, the way of pattern also directly they given, x plus y is there means what, x and there, y is there, so should not do with respect to x with respect to, so only chance z, dz. Okay, happy. X means what, don't do with respect to y, so sorry, don't do with respect to x, so y, finally x. So what order is given, correct. If they are not given means you can see, suppose x plus y are given, dy means what, don't do dy, check the limits. Okay, x and y is there, don't do with respect to x and y, so only chance is what, z. Once if you completed your x means what, don't do with respect to x, only chance is what, y, then finally x. So happily they given. Now with respect to x means what, this you can treat as actually linear expression, e power of 2 plus z like this. Some people they will do e power of x plus y into e power z, all are same, what you want you can do. So 0 to log a, 0 to x, what I will do, this is e power x plus y plus z, again this is what, 2 plus z means coefficient if you divide 1 you will get linear concept, 0 to x plus y, this is dy dx. Now what I did with respect to z, I have integrated. So in z only you can apply the limits. So upper limit minus lower limits. What I will 0 to log a, 0 to log a, 0 to x. If you apply z means what will get e power x plus y plus x plus y minus lower limit if you apply e power x plus y. Any problem? dy dx. Now this is become what? 0 to log a, 0 to x, e to the power of x plus y, 2x plus 2y, 2y minus e to the power of x plus y, dy dx, 0 to log a. Now with respect to y, if we do, means what? If you treat this is as a linear means what? E power a plus bx means what? After integration you can divide x coefficient, divide by 2. Here 1, so no problem. So what I will get, this is with respect to y I am doing a to the power of 2x plus 2y divided by 2, getting a net, minus e to the power of x plus y by 1. 1 also you can write, because when you revise you will understand why you are written, because the linear concept is coming. 1, okay, means don't leave again, you will get confused. Once if you 1 also, first time you can write 1, then after that you can leave. So while revise the problem in examination time, okay, why I have written 1 means what? Because of this linear concept I written 1, you will understand. Nothing will happen, right? 1 value 1, if you don't write also nothing will happen, but if you write 1 means what? Well and good, you will understand nicely. So this is what? 0 to x, correct or not? Now apply the limit. Now with respect to y I have done, so I apply for in terms of y only. So 0 to log a, e to the power of 2x plus again 2x by 2, upper limit. If you apply the lower limit, what will get? Minus e power 2x, y is 0. Any doubt? Similarly, if I apply here e power x plus y minus 2x, lower limit if I apply 0 means what? Minus of minus plus e power x. Any problem? Upper limit 2x plus 2x, then lower limit if you apply 0 2x acha by 2, then x means what? E power of x minus, then lower limit minus means minus plus e power x, enough. So still problem is not completed. Dx, simplify. So 0 to log a, sorry I am forgetting log a, then this what will get? E to the power of 4x by 2 minus e power minus 1 by 2 minus 1, so minus 3 by 2 e power 2x plus e power x dx. Okay, almost we reached. Am I confusing? Alright, simply if you want to also you can take outside. 1 by 2 0 to log a, e to the power of 4x minus 3 e to the power of 2x plus 2 into e to the power of, because LCM I am taking, dx. Apply the limit with respect to, you can do 1 by 2 e power 4x by 4 minus 3 into e power 2x by 4 2 plus 2 into e power x by 1, that is not 1, sorry, e power x 1. Then limit is what? 0 to log a. Then 1 by 2 e to the power of 4 log a by 4 minus e to the power of 2 log a by 2 plus 2 e to the power of log a minus lower limit. If you apply, what you will get? 1 by 4 minus 3 by 2 plus 2, e power 0 is 1. Any doubt? So now only the story will start. Already in your plus 2 level linear differential equation you studied on it, there you will get e power log secant x, means what secant x will get. There is a one formula is there, e to the power of log anything is equal to the same fellow. E power log anything is equal to the same fellow you will get. So this how can I write? A to the power of 4 I can write. Can I bring another formula is there, what? 2 log x is equal to this, I can write as a power log of x square. Can you agree or not? Now slowly simplify this, what you will get? Log a to the power of 4, e to the power of log a to the power of 4, then nothing but a to the power of 4 by 4 minus 3 by 2 a square plus 2a, then minus, simplify this LCM. If you take 4 1 minus 6 plus 8. Now this is what? A to the power of 4 minus 3 by 2a square plus 2a minus, this is what? 9 minus 6, 3 by 4. Still if you want you can simplify, means what you will get? A to the power of 4 minus 3a square plus 8a minus 3 whole divided by 4. This is the answer. This is the way of doing. Okay, thank you for watching our channel. Kindly subscribe and inform to all your friends. The whole syllabus we completed. We are doing the third semester classes also, partially boundary layers and partially field equation. There also we already uploaded 2 units. This unit, second semester unit, we complete before the examinations, all units. Not only that, soon I will come to the come and meet you with live stream. So evening time we fix 1 hour, 2 hours, or before examination. So we continuously we can explain before examination also. Before the examination I may start live stream. So we revise fully before the maths exam 1, 2, 3 days. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching our channel.